Now comes the Ilbert Bill controversy. Sir Ilbert was a legal member of the Viceroy's Executive Council during Lord Ripon's regime, 1880 to 1884. A bill was introduced in 1883 to bring parity in the power of the English and the Indian judges, especially for the purpose of trial of Europeans for a criminal offense. For a criminal offense, the Europeans didn't want to be judged by Indian judges. So, however, the Europeans opposed this bill and finally a compromise was reached. तो क्या power दिया गया? The Indian judges were given the power to try European offenders on the condition that the accused were to have the benefit of trial by the jury. माने Indian judges उन लोग को rule कर सकते हैं, but they should have the benefit of jury, benefit of trial by the jury. अब jury में कौन कौन है? Half the members European, half the members Indian. ऐसा jury के द्वारा तरमनी की they preferred to be treated by Europeans only, not by the Indian judges. Agitation against the Ilbert Bill showed that the Englishmen considered themselves to be racially, they considered themselves to be much superior than the Indians. So they thought, why should we be treated by the natives? No, we should not be judged. Whatever. तारपरे एक एक करके political associations का जन्म हुआ. आगे किंतु the Indians thought that they were very these Europeans, you know, they were very rational people. Sorry, racial, not rational people. But now, after the Ilbert Bill, after the repressive policies of Lord Lytton, they came to understand, nah, it's not like that. So now it led to the formation of various political associations by the Indians also. The period between 1866 to 1885 saw the emergence of a number of political associations. क्या क्या हुआ? Dadabhai Naoroji founded the East India Association in 1866. That was found in London, kintu, not in India, but for the cause of India. In 1870, Justice Mahadev Govind Ranade founded the Pune Sarvajanik Sabha. In 1876, Surendranath Banerjee, Akuno Surendranath College ache, founded the Indian Association in Calcutta, Kolkata, at that time it was called Calcutta. All these associations were mainly local in character, kintu. But all India basis में कोई organization was not there. You understand what I am saying? So therefore, Surendranath Banerjee convened the Indian National Conference शुरू किया, which met at Calcutta in 1883. बाद में यही Indian National Congress में change हो जाता है, जेटा कांग्रेस पार्टी अभी भी है. So it was attended by leaders from all parts of India. The Indian National Conference was the forerunner of the Indian National Congress, which was found in 1885. And then this, in 1886, Indian National Congress and Indian National Conference merged with each other as the Indian National Congress. Will do till now, till this.